to try to get over this cold and this cough, this chest congestion, and the sore throat. If you can tell, my glands are just a little swollen too. Because I have to take so many prescription medications for my mental health and high blood pressure and my migraines. I try to avoid using over-the-counter medications if I can, because I'm never for sure how the over-the-counter medications are going to interact with my prescriptions. So I want to try to use home remedies first. Sorry about that. That's what I'm dealing with. Alright, so first home remedy that I use is rest or sleep. I'm trying to get a little bit more rest time in because in order for your body to fight off these bad germs and to make itself better, it has to be strong. And one of the ways that it repairs itself, one of the ways it gets stronger is through rest. Okay, then another way that I am trying to help deal with the cough and the sore throat is I make sure I have plenty of ice water sitting next to the recliner so that whenever I go into one of the coughing fits, the water really helps to take away that tickle. And it feels good on my throat. And we all know how important water is to the body's overall functioning. So, plenty of rest, plenty of water. Okay, so another thing that I've been doing 2 times a day, I do it in the morning and then I do it again at night, is I have been gargling with salt water. I have a terrible sore throat and my glands are even swollen. So I am going to, I add 1 teaspoon of salt to approximately 8 ounces of water. And in this situation, you do not want the water to be cold. And you really don't want it to be hot. You want it to be a nice lukewarm. So I add 1 teaspoon of salt to lukewarm water. And then I would just go in the bathroom and drink a little bit of this, gargle, and then spit it out. You don't want to drink the salt water. It's not a drink, it's a gargle, okay? Alright. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, the 4th thing that I do is I drink hot tea. And I have 2 kinds of hot tea that I enjoy drinking. I have the chamomile, and this is an herbal tea. And for those of you who have not drank chamomile tea before, just know that it does not get as dark as regular tea. It's kind of a light green color, and I will show you that in just a minute. And then if I want a stronger tea, I do use the Lipton 100% natural tea bags, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fix a cup of tea real quick. And all I do is I take one of the tea bags and I put it into my cup, and I use an oversized cup because but I don't fill it all the way up because since the tea is hot and I don't want to slosh it on myself, I use a little bit taller teacup. Alright, and then I have this tea kettle boiling with water almost all day long, okay? So then I just take my boiling water and I add it to my teacup. About 3/4 of this mug because it's extra tall. actually help with your cold and your congestion. And that is pure honey. You want to add pure raw honey, and they recommend, and I recommend 2 teaspoons per cup. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons to my tea, and I go ahead and do this while the tea bag is steeping. While the tea bag is steeping, because it takes about 5 minutes for that tea bag to steep. Okay. Alright, so there's my 2 teaspoons of pure honey. Alright, now, besides the honey, you can add a couple of other ingredients. You can add pure lemon, that will help with the throat. And you can add cinnamon. Cinnamon has natural ingredients that works like an antibiotic, as does honey. Honey has natural antibiotic ingredients. Okay, so and I don't like both lemon and cinnamon added at the same time. Some people do, okay? But I only prefer the taste of one of those. And since the last time I had tea, I used the cinnamon. I'm going to use the lemon this time. And if you were to add the cinnamon, it would be 1 teaspoon. And with the lemon, it's 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of real lemon. It has to be real. All of these ingredients have to be real, or else they're not going to work. Okay? Alright, so then I'll add that. I'm going to stir that up. Alright, okay, so it's 2 teaspoons of the honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon, or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay? And you can do all 3, but I just don't like it that way. I like the more individual tasting. Alright, so the next thing I do is, while I'm waiting for the tea to, I think it's steep is what they say. That means, like, be absorbed into the water. What I do is I fix me some steam. Alright, so I get out a bowl. And I pour me some water in it, and the water is steaming hot. Alright. You can see the steam coming off of it. Now, because I want to capture as much of that steam as I can, I usually put a towel over my head, and I lean forward, and I breathe it in. And I do this for about, 5 to 10 minutes while I'm waiting for the tea to get finished. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to stop